make a beeline for the hand-built show in Austin to look at the most current form in the Yamaha yard build program. The Rural Racer XSR700 is a mashup from a modest bunch of brands we at MO have come to utilize every day now and again. We may need to ask about a long-haul test for our camera fellow. Velomacchi and Yamaha motors in a joint effort with DJI drones, Yoshimura, Champion, and Race Tech uncover idea bicycle that wires American moto legacy with present-day development. The excellent divulging of Velomacchi and Yamaha Motors collab idea bicycle, the Rural Racer XSR700, will be shown April 20th to 22nd at the Hand-Built Show in Austin, TX. The custom XSR700 composed and worked by Velomacchi as a team with Yamaha Motors, DJI drones, Yoshimura, Champion, and Race Tech will feature best-in-class innovation and execution with a kind of vintage American carport developed legacy. Each component of the Rural Racer XSR700 is completely altered, including front and back Race Tech suspension, Yoshimura fumes, and DJI Ramble innovation. Propelled by the riding condition in the Pacific Northwest, the Rural Racer project celebrates byway experience, provincial investigation, and speed. The bicycle is worked around Yamaha's unbelievable 689 cubic centimeters cross-plane parallel twin motor, famous for smooth and steady power conveyance, capable torque, and hard increasing speed. The Rural Racer XSR700 highlights a specific Yoshimura R&D debilitate with a recently planned exhaust system that is all the more intense, lighter weight, and earth-consistent in every one of the 50 states. Kevin Murray, founder of Velomacchi, planned the bicycle for forceful backwoods riding in factor climate and requesting landscape. Set in the residential area of Hood River, or Velomacchi is encompassed by tough fire streets and forcing slopes that make up the Pacific Northwest. Of the general outline reason, Murray says, the XSR700 is a phenomenal stage for Northwest streets. The straightforwardness in which we could redesign suspension, dash on execution extras, and alter the subframe to convey particular burdens, made it unfathomably flexible so we can tune the bicycle to meet the particular riding style, condition, and freight of the rider. Incorporating present-day innovation in interesting ways is a sign of the Rural Racer program. The bicycle highlights Ramble innovation from DJI that incorporates an automaton mount on the fuel tank for fast overhead arrangement. The motivation behind the automaton is to help in exploring outdoors spots, dissecting riding position, and finding riding pals. The DJI Mavic Pro has a minimal airframe, conveys a 4K HD camcorder, tips the scales at 1.62 pounds, has a 8-mile run, and a maximum speed of 40 miles per hour. The changed back subframe joins the bumper, tail light, turn flags, and tag holder into one separable unit for extra convey space when an additional fuel cell, device roll, and duffel are important. Resellers Exchange Suspension Pioneer, Race Tech, hand-fabricated the G3S raised stun and front fork to oblige forceful backwoods riding and enable unbounded adaptability to tune the ride by weight and condition. Evade Miyazawa, Yamaha Motorcycle Project Manager and Rural Racer Project Partner remarked, "Kevin and I have been discussing a legacy enlivened modernized provincial race bicycle for quite a long time. Our two brands share a considerable measure of regular esteems and we have both conceived observer to how this industry is evolving." The Rural Racer XSR700 keeps the legacy-propelled vibe individuals cherish, while likewise conveying 21st century innovation and unrivaled execution. The Rural Racer XSR700 appeared in February as a work in advance at One Moto Show in Portland, Oregon, and will disclose its terrific consummation Friday, April 20 THAT the Hand-Built Show in Austin, TX.